Hey folks, Adam here. As a wise lawyer once told me, make sure you have a dash cam in every one of your vehicles and make sure it's a 360 viewing experience. Now in my state, until recently, even if you were 10% at fault in an accident, you could be liable for 10% of any damages. Now think about that. Somebody cuts in front of you, slams on their brakes, you rear end them. If they make an argument that you rear-ended them, even if you're 10% at fault, and they say, I can never work again, and my lifetime earnings would have been $4 million, suddenly, you're $400,000 liable. That's not good. And we started to have an issue in my state with people intentionally getting into accidents when they wanted to stop working. They wanted to claim, hey, I'm not at fault. Maybe I'm 50% at fault, maybe I'm 30% at fault, so you're going to pay for 30 to 50% of my retirement. It was getting absolutely ridiculous. And that's when lawyers started saying, put a camera in every car. We're way too litigious of a society not to have the evidence behind you. So I went ahead and found the best camera I could to protect me, to protect my family, and to protect my investments. Right here, we have a 4-channel dash cam. Now think of the computing power for 4 channels. We're talking beautiful 4K and Ultra HD footage where you can see everything in front of you. Everything either in your vehicle or the side of your vehicle around you. And even a rear camera behind you. So you've got a total of 4 cameras working simultaneously to make sure that you're protected. This has a 360 view, and it has a built-in 128 gigabyte card that's constantly recording, checking for activities, even park monitoring to make sure that you're safe. Now, it ties right into their app, and their app is easy to connect with the latest Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5.8, to where you can transfer that data straight to you easily and efficiently. On top of that, the app has some cool editing to where you can put a UFO, a dinosaur, and a moon to make this a little fun into your driving footage. That is something I've never seen before. So they're getting pretty advanced here. And yes, this does work with your latest Google or Apple phone. Now we're gonna have the up close portion of the video showing you everything that comes with it, but installation was a breeze. USB-C, we've run right into our USB in the car. The rear camera, we've run down the side and runs out the back. Let's show you that installation here in a moment. But folks, if you're looking for a great camera, this is a fantastic one for you. Let's go ahead and check it out, and we're gonna kick it off right now. And installation of the rear cam is very simple as well. Now we've cleaned off the rear mirror. We're gonna go ahead and place it, and then we can adjust it to hit the angle we want. Very easy. That cabling, we're gonna run right down the side to where it's going to be out of the way. And we're gonna close it, and it's automatically connected to the device. Wipe off the back window, make it clean, and you're good to go. Now, I like to adjust the cameras to different positions. You can see you could point this right at your passenger. You could point it out the side, or wherever it makes most sense for you. Over here, I'm gonna keep this one on me. I think that's good for safety. We've got the front one, which we can adjust accordingly, and the back one can be adjusted as well. So we have that 4-camera view right in front of us. I also like that it has the 1-press lock. You can take a picture and you can use voice control. Take a picture. Let me show you that up close. Take a picture. Just that easy. And of course, that park monitoring means that you're safe. Even when you're parked, 24-hour park monitoring is no joke. All right, folks, now in terms of the camera itself, I couldn't be happier. We've got a beautiful color screen that works great at night. Again, the adjustability, and we can go into the modes here. You can browse your files, change the resolution, adjust the loop recording, turn the screen on and off, because sometimes you don't want it always looking at you. Adjust the date, time, format, microphone. I like to turn the microphone off. And everything here is easily controllable with physical buttons. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn my microphone off. Don't need it. Anti-flicker, very nice. Brightness, language, G-Shock sensor. So this will automatically record footage if there's a shock to the system. Yeah, so that's important. You can adjust your GPS as well to where you will know exactly where an incident occurs. You can turn that on and off if you're so inclined for your own privacy. You can adjust the speed units, adjust the Wi-Fi, the time zone, the IR, and a whole lot more. Now, I love the fact that the app is available in your app store no matter what type of device you're using, and the card will automatically format as soon as you turn on the device for the first time, so it's easy setup. In addition, the device will let you toggle through your main screens there. You can see we can adjust accordingly, and at a push of a button, we can see every angle, every view, or all of them at the same time. Very cool, right? And yeah, this is just a cool device. We've gone ahead and spread out that front camera. We've got the two side cameras. This is so easy and efficient. I love it. So folks, there's a lot of things that this device can do. I'm very happy with the footage. Beautiful crystal clear footage. You can even figure things out like see a license plate at a distance. So if somebody cuts you off, somebody commits a crime, somebody's suing you, you have every bit of detail you need for your case. The night vision is fantastic, and there's also an option to take a picture. That makes me happy. The interior camera is second to none as well. I like that, and I know you're going to like it. Also, we can turn on and off the microphone. For me, I prefer to turn that microphone off. I don't need people just hearing everything. I don't need on camera everything I've ever said. So I like that we've got the option to adjust that. Now, as we drive, this is going to be very important that it's got the sensors to go ahead and make sure that light is displayed correctly. You're not getting too much glare. You're not getting bad low light situations. And certainly in the holiday season, for me, when driving gets to be quite extreme around the great city of Tampa, just making sure that I'm driving safe, and if somebody isn't, we have it caught on camera. All right, folks. So now that you've seen the camera in use, you've seen all the footage, there's a lot of other options we didn't even really get into, but we gave you the tip of the iceberg with the capabilities of this fantastic camera. It's a great brand, great style, great sophistication. This is a camera that will protect you and your family in their times of need. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. My name is Adam. We're showing off the best products in all the land. Thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you. But what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today. Adios, amigos. All right, folks. So now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. This is where you get to see the product and the box, the information up close and personal. We put this at the end of the video because it gives you an opportunity to pick the item up and put it in your cart. So if you're already decided this is a great time to pick up this brand, Freedom drives with you. Okay, it's a 4-channel dash cam, 4K Ultra, and yeah, that's a 128 gig card. This is the D4. Now, what do we love about it? Of course, the full coverage, front view, left, right, and inside with GPS. Of course, ooh, this is a tightly packed box. That's usually a sign of a high quality product. I like that. This is a high quality product and has GPS, 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi app, night vision, voice control, 24-hour park mode, and a 128 gigabyte card included. I love when the cards are included. If they don't want to include the card, I ain't got time for that. Sometimes when you get an external card that isn't included, it doesn't work right, it has to be formatted. I just like it when it's good to go when you pick it up, right? Rear camera, front camera, and car charger. And they've got the installation right there. So very cool. And you can have easy Wi-Fi setup or app setup with the QR codes on the back of that. Okay, so lots of fun stuff here, including your D4 user manual. Very nice. Now, I've been very happy with the brand. You can check them out, of course. And when you're looking at the product specs, let's look at those up close and personal as a team. You can see impressive screen size, H.265. Let me zoom in a little bit. TS encoding. Got the front, rear, left, and right camera, all at great resolutions. And of course, DC power. Great operating temperature as well. You've got a good range on temperature, as well as loop recording support. And yeah, we're very happy with this. Even has the built-in microphone and speaker, and it is multi-language supporting. So, within the box, again, it's a great time to pick it up and put it in your cart, is this impressive little device, right? The adhesive is built in right there, so that is nice. And you can figure angle out. I like it's got the little pull tab, so you pull that off, and you've got your 1, your 2, and your 3 lenses right there. So we're going to move those around, get them the angle you want, get them where you want, and that big screen, it says Freedom drives with you. Remove the screen protector. Do a quick bench test before installing. It's normal for the camera to be too warm slightly. Format SD card before first use. So easy peasy, folks. I like that they've given you the card that works, though. You don't have to worry about it. All right. So there's your tool for removing the device from your windshield, should you need to do that. That plugs it right into your outlet in the car. Looks like a rear camera there with plenty of cabling and some wipes for cleaning, everything you need. And even that sign to let the bad guys know that you are protected from top to bottom and stem to stern. So as we move this away, folks, what a great brand. What great quality, design, style, and sophistication. The built-in microphone, the adjustable lenses. I like that you can point the lenses how you need to point them. Whoop. You can take that off there. Wide viewing lens, quad cam system. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Folks, if you're looking for a great device, it's time to go with the D4. It's for cars, sedans, SUVs, minivans, vans, pickups, trucks, and RVs. Yeah, it's got that Wi-Fi connectivity, that 360 view, truly no blind spots. Whoop, I'll keep it on camera for you. And yeah, compared to the competition, 2-channel, for babies. Go check this out. You won't be disappointed. I love you. I appreciate you. It's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. Go get one.